Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the content source to the Tumblr on your Tumblr application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a content source on your Tumblr post on your Tumblr application. So just going to show in this video. So now I just decided to post a image or post a video, or just going to post an image about a Google Translator. Okay, I just added an image here. So I just need to add a source of this link or source of this content. So click on this three dot option and you have this option called content source. So actually I just copied the link of this. So you can just choose the same thing for something like a blog or anything like the post. So I just copied this, just pasted here. Then click on the done option. So now the content source has been pasted here. You can just check here. If you are just click on the three dot option in the content source, it shows the link and then just can post it. This is how you just add the content source on your post on your Tumblr account. I think this video helped you a lot. You can see it shows the source is google.com. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.